we have is an old world typewriter. When we acquired this machine, the carrier's return band was broken, and all we had was the clip for the spring side, tension spring side. So what we've done is we've purchased from Washington State this banding material. It's a quilted material. We had this edge, this piece, which ties on to the spring side, but we didn't have the piece for the carriage. So using my spare materials I had around, I was able to modify and make a piece for the return carriage. Then we put the band in, and I didn't have the original metal rivets that they used, so instead we did sewing and we sewed it together. I think it's going to be an adequate repair, and it's going to hold up for the test. So we're going to be installing it here shortly.
Well, it's made a home in there. Right here.
You can see the little carcass.
Yep, right there. Putting the ribbon on this Royal typewriter, so you got to go into the back here. There we go. Usually if you have some tweezers it'll work better, but you can use a little screwdriver and just hook it there in the back. There we go. It has on there, it shows the direction it goes in. So it goes this way. It drops in there. Make sure the red is on the bottom.